this is what I had, in my mind, Independence Day and conferring of title ceremony. So we are gonna give titles to everyone. Now let's begin.
Oh, wow.
The
Awesome.
interview clearing guy.
Great,
Multiple
great, great.
training assignments for schools. Wow, Dipanshu ji, very good.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you
Congratulations.
so much.
So
Thank you so
Dipanshu
much.
ji, certificate
Congratulations.
मैं
और
आपको अलग से भेजूंगा.
बढ़िया.
Dipanshu ji has been getting multiple training assignments for schools, and I'm very happy for the progress which he has been
Yes.
doing. Yes, coaching में थोड़ा सा अभी है, time का थोड़ा constraint है, but still I'm
पर
very
ये
happy.
ट्रेनिंग हो रही ना इतनी बढ़िया. So nice.
Yes, yes.
And Dipanshu
Awesome.
ji, I want to congratulate आप. इस पिक्चर में बहुत ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
Thank you so much.
मैंने सबके फोटो निकाले हैं आपके सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल से, तभी मैं कहता हूँ सोशल मीडिया पे अच्छा फोटो लगाने का
हाँ ना
है.
सर, थोड़ा एक
Right.
महीने का टाइम तो देना था.
ठीक है. So congratulations Dipanshu ji,
Yes.
once again. Keep it up
So nice.
and wait for some 5 more minutes. There is one more thing which I wanted to go with.
Awesome. So kind of you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So this
So
is
nice.
one. जो लोग अभी यहाँ पे हैं मैं उनका कर लूं, अदरवाइज या मैं देखूं सीरियल में कौन अभी आता है. Anita ji is not here, but I have conferred the title the Construction Nightingale because she is a singer as well. उनका एक म्यूजिक
Yes.
चैनल है where she has monetized it as very good. गाना भी
wow.
गाती है स्टेजेस पे, तो उनके लिए मैंने रखा था.
ये नहीं
And
पता.
she has booked 2 consecutive calls in the last
Oh,
week.
excellent.
Oh wow.
So this is for her. Again, so a big round of applause to her as well.
Yes, so nice.
Let's come to Archana ji. Archana
Oh,
ji, for
sweet
you as
again.
well.
Storytelling.
Let's do some confetti. Let's do some drum rolls.
Yes.
Congratulations, Archana ji.
So Archana ji has been a storytelling queen because schools में बच्चों को story के through she teaches, and that's
Yes.
why I have given her the title the storytelling queen.
Yes,
And
so
she has recently got some paid business from schools to nurture this 10 to 12th class students. So once again,
Yes.
congratulations Archana ji.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Archana ji.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's go to, so here's Mr. Sai Venkat Prasanna. He is a public speaking coach and he is getting lots of projects from corporates as well as coaching clients. So again, a huge round of applause to Mr. Venkat Prasanna. He is not present today, but no issues.
Back to back.
He's doing pretty well. Very nice. A very senior guy again. Meena ji has been coming on the today. I think she is not well. So she is helping coaches and she has officially resigned from her job.
Okay.
So she has been titled as the side hustle queen. And now she is getting for a full-fledged coaching business once her notice period is gone. So again, a huge round of applause to Meena ji.
Yes, very good.
Let's go to Ramya. So the
Oh.
Leadology queen. मैंने उनको title दिया the Leadology queen.
Leadology queen, अच्छा.
Yeah. Actually, she is helping leaders, the CXO level leaders with psychology. So the name is Leadology. The unique process which she is implementing is Leadology. So she is a Leadology queen and now she is taking actions. बहुत दिन से she was stagnant, waiting for I don't know what, but now she has started taking action. So a huge round of applause to her as well. Let's give her some.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations, queen.
I was waiting आप क्या लिखोगे बोल के.
Okay, good. Next is
अरे बाप रे.
Dr. Sunita, the heart
so
binding
nice.
queen.
अरे जम गया sir. Thank you so much.
So Sunita ji is a heart binding. She is a relationship coach and obviously a senior gynecologist. But currently she is into this relationship niche. So she is able to bind hearts. तो मैंने सोचा कि इनको heart binding queen का नाम देता हूँ. And again, कि उनका एक reel अभी गया था ना 2 लाख से ज़्यादा views. तो again a huge round of applause to her.
सर मेरा एक रील तो 20 लाख भी चला गया.
अरे वाह, very nice.
वो कहाँ गया? 41. हाँ, एक गया है.
तो उसका लिंक भेज दो ना ग्रुप में, हम लोग भी देखें.
हाँ, वो उस दिन भी सोचा था मैंने. हाँ, ठीक है ना सर, भेजती हूँ.
Very nice, good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. I like the name so much.
मैडम आपके लिए तो बड़ा सा हार्ट.
Okay.
अरे मनी मैग्नेट क्वीन मिठू जी से
Mithu
मिलना
ji,
पड़ेगा.
she has been conferred the title Money Magnet Queen
Yes,
because
nice.
I could see her managing her family हस्बैंड की तबीयत खराब हो गई थी. She has managed a lot. उसके बाद अपना business देखना. So purposely I have mentioned here managing home and business together in efficiently. हस्बैंड की तबीयत खराब है, बच्चे का तबीयत खराब है, अपना business करना है, and she has been doing significantly well. So again, a huge round of applause to her. Mithu ji for being the money magnet queen.
Congratulations, Mithu ji.
Congratulations, Mithu ji.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Congrats, Mithu ji. More abundance to you.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Good. Now we have Sundar Raj ji. He is not present. Actually, he was also
Human
supposed to
resource.
come. He was working in human resource department, but somehow he has to change his profile. Now he is into business development. So I thought he has the courage to take a new job entirely from HR to sales. Actually, business development is sales. So this was conferred to him as the title for the human resource king. So again, a huge round of applause to Sundar Raj ji. He's not there on the call, but yes, good. Let's go to Mr. Rahul Yadav.
Yes.
He is the money manifestation king, and
Thank you.
he's taking one step ahead towards a full-fledged coaching business. As he said, he wants freedom, and we are gonna
Okay.
do that for him. So
Thank
again,
you. Thank you.
a huge round of applause to Rahul ji for making it
Thank you.
happen and coming with that confidence, because he has been trying for a couple of years and I'm not letting him go. मैंने इनको इतना सारा काम दिया, मैंने कहा आगे बढ़ूंगा नहीं जब तक ये चीज फिक्स नहीं हो जाती है.
Right.
So I'm
right,
not
right.
just letting him go unless and until things are set right.
Yes.
So
sir.
I'm that
That's
kind
right.
of a person, and I'm really happy that he's there with us and he trusts the system, and I'm gonna not leave any stone unturned before I make him successful. That's my promise
Thank
to
you.
him.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, Rahul ji, for being here.
Thank you.
Karishma is not here again. She has been again a relationship coach for different segment, not for only wives and husbands. She keeps making videos and all. So she is again emotional relationship queen. I have mentioned her, and she is being very disciplined in making YouTube videos, doing Instagram lives and everything. So this title has been given to her as the emotional relationship coach. So again, drum rolls and confettis for her. Let's go to Mr. Bhimrao Sonkamble. So he has been again a different mentor. I have named him as the food startup king because he is teaching people to make businesses from food stuff, raw material of foods and raw material of grains. वहां से लेकर के ये startup शुरू करवाते हैं, and one of his clients have achieved 293 crores of turnover after working with him for some time. So that is what, so again, a huge round of applause to him for making this happen. Right? That's it. Thank you so much. So this was the surprise conferring title from me.
This was so amazing. This was so amazing.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.